as Geetanjali say it?
I didn't even realize you were touching my feet.
Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel, Off Script Sisters. This is the very first episode of our channel, जहाँ पे हम तीन बहनें जो भी मूवीज हम देखते हैं, जो हमें पसंद है, जो हमें नापसंद है, उनके बारे में डिस्कशन होगा इधर. And then we're gonna give our opinions about the movies, aspects that we liked, we did not like, we loved and we hated. And जो हमने first movie choose करी है is the most loved movie of 2023. It's Animal. ये मूवी चलता फिरता रेज बेट है. Whenever I watch this movie, मेरा ब्लड प्रेशर हाई हो जाता है. खैर, अपी, take it from here. Tell us in brief the story of the movie for the viewers that have not watched the movie yet.
All right. So, if you have not watched the movie yet, I would say for me, it was a fun watch. I enjoyed the storytelling because it was one of its kind. Because I know how some people might not like Sandeep Reddy Vanga's work because the way he writes his male characters. But yeah, coming back to the point that I need to tell this story in brief, people who have not watched it yet. So the story follows Ranvijay, our main character, played by Ranbir Kapoor. He's obsessed with his dad, played by Anil Kapoor. Although it is not showed in the film that why Ranvijay is so obsessed with his dad. The story follows Ranvijay's trajectory. He falls in love with this girl Gitanjali. He has 2 children and he is well settled in abroad. And then he gets a news that his dad has been shot. He rushed immediately and he came back with the feeling of like he needs to protect his dad. And then how he reunites his whole family, his kin.
That is the whole story. Nothing more than that, honestly.
Yeah, I will start with the things that I liked in the movie. All right. So I liked the background score of the film. I really enjoyed all the songs, starting with the first A.R. Rahman's melody, the Ranvijay theme, and then how when he reunites his family, his kin, his cousins, and the background score of like the jungle theme music, and then the romantic songs, of course, Hua Main. So I liked all the songs. I liked the sequence of the fight scenes. It was very well orchestrated. And then I think I liked Ranbir Kapoor's acting. Oh my God, he acted really well.
I don't know. I think Appi is being paid by Sandeep, whatever, Randeep, Sandeep, Randeep Vanga for appreciating this movie. And I don't think it is as good.
For a girl who's hopeless romantic, for example, me, there were certain scenes which were really good. The thoughtfulness I liked when he ordered a car for the girl, matching colors with the hickey on her neck. That is way too romantic. But I did not like the context where he was cheating. A man should be a one-woman man. So the hopeless romantic person got heartbroken over there, but I really liked the scene.
Right. No, I understand. And I disagree with both of you, first of all. Let me start off with that. Secondly, what I want to say is, for sure, I will agree with you, Appi, on the fact that the fighting set pieces were really well choreographed. I have watched Bollywood all my life, so I understand how it works, right? How Bollywood heroes just like win at the end. So that was pretty normal to me. But coming to your point, Rom, like gifting the car, matching the hickey color and stuff, that was just so disgusting to me. After watching the movie, impressionable Nibba Nibbis would be like, oh my god, I want the hickey color gifts or whatever.
I agree here with Room. If you watch that scene isolated, like if a lover, right, if
Yeah.
lover is giving a thoughtful gift to his or her partner, so in isolation, that scene works.
but I think I have mentalized. I watched the movie and made notes yesterday, all day yesterday, and I mentalized the movie. Every scene, everything that Ranbir Kapoor has done in that movie, I hate with the core of my heart. Secondly, what I found in the movie was all the women were yelled at. Male counterparts were just yelling at the women. एक सीन में तुम लोगों ने I don't know notice किया कि नहीं किया, lawn they have this like कांच का कुछ तो building types अंदर जहाँ पे केक रखा होता है. वो अंदर आता है, उसकी बहन she's pouring whiskey in her glass and he's like, hey, Roop, don't get into whiskey. Drink wine, it's nice. What is the fucking point of that? Why are you so fucking controlling? क्या
So,
मतलब दिक्कत क्या है उस आदमी की?
so they were just establishing his character. So this is his nature, being a control freak. Of course, he's a flawed person. And that becomes so irrational later in the second half. Because in
He
his life,
thinks that whiskey is hard liquor, so women won't be able to like control. He was restricting in that way. He was showing care in that way.
Secondly, I feel like वो बोलता है गीतांजलि से जब एयरप्लेन के सीन के बाद they are in the field and डबी romantic sequence is going on. वो बोलती है कि do you want kids? So बोलता है yes, I wanna be a father someday. And then she's like playfully suggesting that, but not like your father, right? Just alone, and she was just trying to like express her feelings. And then उसने उसका मुंह पकड़ाया और वो मतलब अब्यूजिव हो गया उस मोमेंट में. कहता है मेरे बाप के बारे में ऐसी बात मत करना. Then he said कि मैं लड़की झुकती है तो मैं देखता हूँ, मैं फोन देखता हूँ और ये सारी. उसने कभी पूछा भी नहीं. She did not even ask these things. Unnecessary details. वो भी अलग प्रॉब्लम मुझे इस मूवी के साथ. ठीक है. फिर उसके बाद कहता है गीतांजलि मैं देखो कभी धोखा नहीं दूंगा. And cut to the second half of the movie and he sleeps with someone else. My blood is boiling, so I would not be able to continue. So please take it
No,
from here.
that is very problematic.
yes, that is problematic. But again, it's Sandeep Reddy Vanga's work. He specializes writing flawed characters. Of course,
And
यहाँ पे
people like you support him. That's why his movies are selling in the first place.
see, for me, if any movie is trying to make me escape from the reality, I am hooked on that movie for straight 2 hours. Then I feel, yeah, it's a good movie. It kept me hooked. It was engaging. It was thought-provoking. Of course, there were scenes which I also did not like. Like, for example, that part where he walks naked. It was totally unnecessary.
Someone wants to talk about that conversation with the doctor.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
You were
I have
getting
written
there.
it in my notes. Discussing the sex life with all the doctors in front of the family. If you wanted to discuss the sex life, you could have just discussed it with Geetanjali.
And of course, everyone knew that he was so volatile in that moment because after his injuries and stuff, and he was just like so unpredictable. He was saying anything, he was doing anything. And you talking about your own sex life in front of your parents. Have you no shame?
यहाँ पर इसे थोड़ा better रखा जा सकता था. But हाँ, it's writer's creative liberty.
खुद ही bullshit लिख दे, वो writer is a creative liberty है. Apart from that, I feel like the movie glorifies cheating. चाहे वो उसके भाइयों के साथ हो, चाहे वो उसकी खुद की चीटिंग, whatever sequence that they showed. के भाइयों ने prostitutes बुला रखी थी. And then they were married. And then Ranbir Kapoor was like, oh, you guys are married and you have called upon prostitutes. उसका primary concern ये नहीं होता है उसके भाई cheat कर रहे होते हैं अपनी बीवियों पे. उसका primary concern होता है कि ये लोग बाहर से आए हैं, अभी खुद के घर में इतनी security है, उसके पापा का इतना बड़ा scene चल रहा है. So he just does not want any external people who could be a mole for the attack or whatever. That was his primary concern, that why he was like कि नहीं इनको बाहर निकालो. Not because his brothers were cheating, by the way. The movie for sure glorifies cheating in a way and just underplays it. ये क्या हो गया? Men will be men. They will cheat.
I agree. Again, if I think back to the first scene where they are meeting after a long while, they are on terrace and he's talking to her and he starts touching her feet.
Yeah.
That was kind of disgusting. Like you're meeting the girl for the first time and then you just, touching her feet.
And you comment on her pelvis.
I would say that point is right, because if you look at the
चलो ठीक है.
human biology,
Hmm.
even today, the girls, like, if there are exactly the same two guys with the same credentials, but
Hmm.
if there is one guy who is slim and sleek and doesn't have upper body muscles, and the other guy who has upper body muscles, like strong biceps, so naturally the girls will be attracted towards the second guy. But I did not agree with the point where he says जो weaker men थे, they got into
Hmm.
the poetry, and मैं तुम्हारे लिए चंदा मामा ले आऊंगा, ये ले आऊंगा, वो ले आऊंगा. It's not like that. So poetry always relates with the revolution in any,
Like the origin of the poetry, right?
right, origin of poetry, whether you talk about Urdu शायरी, और अगर तुम उससे भी पहले जाते हो, इवन लाइक एंशियंट टाइम्स, रसखान, सूरदास, कबीरदास वाले टाइम में भी जाते हो, तो इट ऑलवेज ब्रिंग्स आउट द फ्रस्ट्रेशन इन द सोसाइटी.
Origin of the story was basically because poetry is supposed to convey a big message in fewer words. A trained mole who has come to actually distract Ranvijay's character falls for him. Falls.
Because she thinks
Forgets
that
but
he has fallen for her and he's not playing that game, any game, and she falls for all the things he was doing, and he was showing, he was pretending to be.
Bobby Kapoor Bobby Kapoor Bobby Deol
Zoya's character falls for Ranvijay because in the post-credits scene, they have showed the evil Ranvijay, evil Ranbir Kapoor, right? And how he behaves. Even though the face is same, but Ranvijay is nicer than that guy, the evil one. So maybe because
the
of
butcher,
that,
the professional butcher.
the professional butcher, yeah. So maybe that is the reason she falls for him.
Because they relate all night long, but you would not be able to convince me why. Anyway, this guy was not even like, I think those scenes ke alawa, he was not seen with his kids. His kids will have the same issue that he has. And at least मेरे को ये होता कि ये इंसान चलो अच्छा हस्बैंड नहीं है, अच्छा बाप तो बन सकता था, but he's not even
और
a good
इंसान
father.
ये तो सोचता है कि भाई जो मैंने झेला वो मेरे बच्चे नहीं झेलेंगे.
तो for him, he never acknowledges that उसने कुछ झेला है. उसके लिए उसके
वो denial.
हाँ, denial में है वो
But
उसके
why,
उसके
when he confronted his father in the end, so he was not in denial. He told him that he was hurt.
He's actually told his father multiple times that he's hurt.
Now that I think about it, yes,
Yeah.
he did. Yeah.
I agree with you. The music was really apt. The songs are right on. The background score is spot on. I love the scene where he gathers all his brothers, and that he can actually like listen to the song and be empowered, and you can feel like oh, something big is going to happen.
You will call me Sandeep Reddy Vanga's fan if I if I mention this, because see, he's not Punjabi guy. When Ranvijay goes to his kin, to his village, and he unites all his cousins, तो वो जो म्यूजिक वहाँ का होता है, वो we have already discussed that कि the music was really banging there. But then again, like bringing Prem Chopra in that scene, like Prem Chopra is a vintage actor. So Prem Chopra being in that frame has lit the frame. You don't need anything else, right? He was
That's
so
right.
believable. All the Punjabi aunts and sisters there,
Mhm.
so believable. And then the accents, the dialogues, like it really amazes me because he's not from Punjab himself, the writer Sandeep
Mhm.
Reddy Vanga, and he incorporated that scene beautifully. And again, when they leave, like all the boys, all the cousins, when they leave, and all the women and old men are there on the terrace,
Mhm.
that instillates
This is my right.
uh,
Maybe yeah.
bidding goodbye. So that tries to tell us the story, like how it happens in wars.
Mhm.
Men goes for war, the women and children and the elders stay behind.
The war machine. I want one of those. And I love Freddy's character. He's so erratic. He's so just unpredictable. I love that.
Abrar having sex in front of everyone.
How did we not talk about Abraham? Islam, so 3 wives are just like,
everyone, every other Tom,
And
Dick, and
now,
Harry has
it
3 wives.
has put the idea of threesome in Muslim men.
Oh yeah,
I think, and I
discuss.
really liked those females who were like enjoying their life in between and all of these chaos.
बॉस मैं वही तो बोल रही हूँ कि मतलब औरतों को तो इन्होंने ऐसे शो किया है कि दे जस्ट लाइक प्रॉपर्टीज कि ऐसे मतलब
Commodity.
चैटल कोई गाय भैंस बकरी जैसा कि मतलब यू कैन जस्ट लाइक हैव मल्टीपल डू व्हाटएवर यू वांट
That night जहाँ पे उनकी बहुत लड़ाई होती है, जहाँ पे उसको उसकी चीटिंग का पता चलता है, इतना मातम मचने के बाद, सारी चीजों के बाद, वो गाना दिखाया जाता है और ये दिखाया जाता है कि बिना बात किए, बिना किसी इश्यूज को एड्रेस किए हुए उनके बीच में चीजें ऐसे ही सुलझ गई।
पता है कोई भी नहीं दिखता बच्चों के साथ एक्चुअली फनी बात तो ये है, गीतांजलि भी तो नहीं दिखती बच्चों के साथ हाउस कीपर्स ही लेके जाते हैं ना बच्चों का पालन पोषण तो हाउस कीपर्स ही कर रहे हैं बट यस दैट इज अ वेरी गुड पॉइंट कि कोई कभी भी कोई बात ही नहीं होती नो इश्यू इज एवर रिजॉल्व एंड ही बिकम्स वायलेंट इन एवरी कॉन्वर्सेशन इवन इन दिस कॉन्वर्सेशन जो वो बोलती है आई डोंट गिव अ फक अबाउट योर फादर मेरे को इतना इतना सुकून मिलता है ना वो सुन के बोलती आई विश योर फादर हैड डाइड दैट डे
As your father had died that day.
I was like, you and me both sisters. I honestly अगर अनिल पूरा कैरेक्टर मर जाता ना तो आई थिंक सब कुछ सही हो जाता
वो डुप्लीकेट बेचारा अनिल कपूर का डुप्लीकेट.
डू यू गाइज रिमेम्बर दैट सीन जहाँ पे वो बहुत नाराज होती है रणविजय से और रणविजय आके उनके कानों में ईयर प्लग्स डाल देते हैं?
बहुत अननेसेसरी सीक्वेंस थे सिस्टर्स दूसरी सीन वो कि अरे ये पकड़ा जाएगा जो बॉडी डबल वाली चीज ये पकड़ा जाएगा वो अंदर जाके वो झांकता है व्हेन ही इज टेकिंग अ लीक वो झांकता है वो बोलता है कि पापा लेफ्ट हैंड से पकड़ते हैं ये राइट हैंड से पकड़ रहा है
हाँ,
what they were trying to get across is that we want 100% accuracy कि किसी को मतलब भनक भी ना पड़े
no, they were trying to show how much obsessed Ranvijay is with his father.
apart from that when he comes back from the US and his dad is just sitting with the gown on कहते हैं पापा मैंने आज तक आपको कभी चेस्ट हेयर के बिना नहीं देखा who talks to his dad like that I'm sure अगर उसको चांस मिलता तो वो he would have slept with his own dad
Going a little
आने
too
से
far.
पहले आमीन तुम्हें ऐसी आपत्तिजनक चीजें
Going
बोलूंगी
a
अगर
little too far.
I said what I said unapologetically. So that was it, guys. I am exhausted and my blood is still boiling and my blood pressure is high. So I'm just gonna drink some water. And that was our first movie that we have reviewed. I think we did a good job because it was our first episode. According to that, I think we conveyed whatever we wanted to convey in this video. And I think my sisters were just fantastic. And we will see you in another episode of Off Script Sisters. Till then, stay tuned and tell us if you want us to review any movies, if you have any movie suggestions. Again, we just want to say, let us know in the comment section which one of us you resonated with the most if you watched the movie Animal, and let us know if you're a fan, if you're a hater, whatever you are, just let us know, okay? Stay tuned, have fun, keep watching movies, and keep giving your opinions. And that was it, guys. Bye bye, take care.